In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set up auto replies on Instagram. This feature is very useful because it allows you to automatically send a message to someone the moment they message you for the first time. Launch your Instagram app, click on three bars, then scroll down and navigate to the option Account Type and Tools. Now you'll need to switch to the professional account. Click on that option and go through the process to set it up. After you do that, you can close this. Now you'll need to get this app, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Meta Business Suite, download the app and launch it. You'll be directed to the login page. Click on the option Login with a different account type. Select Login with Instagram. Provide your Instagram account's credentials. After you log in, you'll be directed to this page. Now head over to the option More. Click on the option Settings. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find this option of automations under Instagram settings. Click on that. Click on Instant Reply. Enable for the option Instagram. Now you can customize the auto reply message, including adding personalization like the recipient's first name if you want. Once you're happy with the message, tap Save in the top right corner to activate it. Your auto reply is now set up and will be sent automatically to new messages. You can always return to this section to edit or disable it anytime. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.